You have tried for so long to make your dream life come true, and it's just not happening. You're just about to give up. Please don't do that. At least watch this video before you throw in the towel, because I was right where you were not long ago. I was ready to give up on creating the life that I've always wanted until I understood the 3 shifts that I'm about to share with you. When you apply these 3 shifts to your life, you're going to start changing it all, and 2 things are going to happen. You're going to start driving towards your dreams finally and completely, and you're going to start loving the life you live right now every single day, and it can start today for you. What are the 3 shifts? Shift number 1, you need to turn inward rather than outward. I spent so many years of my life trying to build my dreams, build my dream life. And man, I tried everything. I have done so many upstart businesses. I was a crime fiction novel writer for a little while. I tried that. I had been an evangelical pastor. If you watch the channel, you know all about that, for over 30 years. I moved across the country with my family, started a beer drinking, swearing church that played Led Zeppelin songs on Sunday mornings, a church for people who don't like church. I've done all kinds of things, but my dreams really started to come into focus when I started understanding dreams don't come about by hustle and grind. Now, some of you have already tuned out and gone away, and that's good, because if you still believe you got to hustle and grind your way to your dreams, you're doing it the way I did it for so long, and I promise you that doesn't work. I'm not saying there's not effort involved. I'm not saying there's not commitment involved, but what I'm saying is if you're trying to shape your dreams from the outside in, you're doing it backwards. You shape them from the inside out, and that gives you the motivation to make the changes and to find the changes you need to make, and we're going to talk about that in the next shift and how that really works. Here's what I did. When I was a teenager, before I turned 16, my dad bought me this old Ranchero that was kind of like a El Camino, if you know those, a truck car. And we had it in our garage, and we had done mechanic work and body work. I grew up in all that with all my family, all the way back to my great-grandfather. So we started fixing this thing up. And I remember one of the things that I wanted was one of those hot rod steering wheels. If you grew up in the 80s, you know what I'm talking about, with the 3 spokes and the holes in the spokes. Long story short, we sold the car before we ever completed it. But we had the inside painted. I had the hot rod steering wheel in it. I thought this thing's going to be awesome. But there was one missing component. The Ranchero did not yet have an engine. You see what I was doing? I was fixing up visual things on the car because I was so excited about the car, but I didn't put in yet the one thing that would make the car drivable when I turned 16 to be able to drive it. It needed an engine, the internal unit that drove the whole thing. And that's the way your dream life is. When you're out here trying to hustle and grind and make it happen, and you're chasing that business or that next financial picture or that relationship or whatever it is, and it's all external, you're just doing, you're missing the heart of the matter. When you turn inside and say, why do I want this? What is it I'm really chasing here? What is my real dream? And for me, it turned out to be freedom. Freedom's what I really wanted more than anything. And when I learned to turn inward and focus on what freedom really was and what it felt like for me, everything shifted. Everything started to change. And it led me to the second major shift that has to happen if you really want your dreams to come true. By the way, if you need some help on your journey, one of the things my dream led me to doing is this right here, coaching great people just like you and helping them uncover their dream life. And there's a link below where you can book a free call to talk about working with me. Subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already. Give this video a like. It's a great time to do that if it's helping you. But what's the second shift? The second shift is operating from a position of clarity. It really is connected to the first shift. See, once you turn from outside hustle and grind mentality to inside, finding what makes you click and what drives you and what you're really searching for, you begin to filter everything through that value that you have. This is the strongest driver in your life, through that thing that you really want most. Like I said, for me, it was freedom. And when you start turning inward to find freedom, guess what happens? You start to get clarity. You start to make decisions from clarity. You start to see a clearer picture, and it does 2 things for you. Number 1, you start living in the value that you want most day in and day out before your specific dream has even come true. When I started understanding what I wanted most in life was freedom, I started finding freedom in all kinds of areas in my life. Currently, I coach people here on YouTube, but I also work in sales. And where that job had become kind of a grind to me, I've started finding freedom in it. I've started seeing all kinds of evidences of how truly My life is great right now. I'm kind of a futurist and I always get caught in next. But let me tell you what, next is a reality that never happens. Have you ever thought about that? Even when you get to next, you're still living now. Now is the only moment you ever really have. And when I started living inward, I started living in the now and started enjoying the life I have and all of its benefits and blessings. I've made more money over the last couple of years than I've ever made in sales. Not that that's a big deal to me because that's not what it's about, but it's given me more freedom. I found more freedom in my job and the relationships with the people I work with in just so many areas because I turned inward. I got clarity and I started living in the now. So clarity gives you what you're looking for, your strongest value right now, and you start living your best life today. But it also helps you make better decisions for the future you want to build. You're no longer just going after it and grinding so hard that when one thing doesn't work out the way you thought it would, you get frustrated and you give up and you try another thing and that doesn't work out. You just get more and more internally bound up and frustrated. And I learned the key was to just let all of that go and operate in freedom. My strongest value day in and day out. Whatever your strongest value is, you need to find that, start operating in it now, and it'll give you clarity for the decisions you need to make to build your dream life into the future. It led me to starting this YouTube channel about 1.5 years ago. It led me to building the coaching business that I've built here online. It started to open up all kinds of new avenues for me. I started to get clear when I turned inward, figured out what my life was really about, and started to live in that daily. That second big shift of clarity changes everything for you. Now, if you hung in here to the end, the third shift is where the rubber meets the road. This is where everything really starts to change in your life. You put out a new signal. Now, this is something that is kind of the result of the other two shifts. When you really turn inward and quit focusing on all the things you need to tweak outside, you start changing your life from where it matters, from your heart, from your soul, from the spiritual you. And I talk about that on this channel a lot. And you can find out more in my other videos about how all that works. But you get in a place of zen, a place of true focus. And when you get that inward focus, you start making decisions from clarity. You start enjoying your life now. You start building a better life next. But what really happens is you start putting out a new signal into the universe, one that's attracting back to you the life that you truly want. Because now you're putting a clear signal out. If you want to understand at a practical level how this works, just pay attention to the people around you. Do you work with somebody right now that puts out a negative energy? Can you think of that person? They're probably popping in your head. I'm not going to name names, but I've had all kinds of people through my career I've worked with that if I had to think of negative Nelly, they pop up. What do those people do? They attract circumstances into their life that makes their life worse because they're negative. They attract negative people, negative circumstances, and it just makes their life worse and worse and worse, and they downward spiral. The same thing is true when you put out a positive vibe, when you put out a freedom vibe like I do, when you put out that clear signal to the universe of what you want, you're going to attract more of that and more of those people that are connected to that back into your life, and you're going to change everything. This is a scientific principle on how energy that literally emanates from your body works. This is an ancient spiritual principle even. Do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. The energy you put out is the energy you're going to get back, and you literally start attracting that dream life you want to yourself while you're being attracted to it. You're pulling yourself together like two magnets, and it will click into place in the perfect time, and you will change it all. There's a free PDF in the description section that will help you trace your values down to the ones that are most important to you. And once you do that, it'll help you to turn inward and start living in clarity and start attracting that dream life you've always wanted. This can change it all for you. If this helped you today, like, subscribe, and share it with somebody else. And go be great today because you are. I'll see you in the next video.